In today's digital landscape, every business is trying to bring their presence online. And it becomes a very vital for our HBAC business to also bring it online to reach more audience, to reach more customers. And if you are looking to bring your business online, then this video is there for you. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you at another video of Moksha Lifestyle Hub. Today, we have taken a very important and vital topic like how we can bring our business online. To bring our business online, we need to factor it out our 6-step proven process, which will help you to bring your business to online. Now, how you can bring your business online? What are those factors which you have to consider to ensuring that those steps has been followed to bring our business online? So now I'll take you to my screens here and we will discuss and we'll crack the code one by one, like what are those aspects which you need to follow to ensure that how we can bring our business on. So as you can see my screen, here we will discuss 6-step process one by one, like what are those factors which we have to consider to ensuring that our business comes smoothly online and we can scale our business and we can optimize our profitable. So first of all, we have to create our digital presence, and to creating a digital presence, we need to have a two major aspect. One is we need to have our own branded website. Today, after discussing with lot of HVAC businesses, I come to know that they are struggling to generate a lead. They are struggling to generate inquiries. And when they are struggling to generate inquiries, they have to depend upon a lot of third-party solution, which is not viable, and they land up paying more money to them, and they are getting not a good quality lead. To getting a good quality lead, you need to have your personal branded website. You do not have to have a bigger broad. You need to have a branded website. So first of all, you need to create your own branded website on your company name, and that SEO has to be done. Why SEO? SEO's full form is search engine optimization. So when you do a search engine optimization for your website, then what will happen when somebody goes searching on a Google about your services, they can able to rank it. Your website should rank on the top of the Google ranking. So what will happen? By the way, they can just click and they can connect with you for your services, what you are offering it. So SEO plays a vital role, and I have seen most cases people has their website, but they doesn't have a proper SEO done, and that is the reason they doesn't appear when customer is searching them. So it is a very important aspect, like search engine optimization has to be done properly, and there are very few people who knows about how to do a search engine optimization for your website. So you need to work upon that and ensure that your developer should help you to creating that, so you rank on a top of on a Google search. So that is one important aspect which you have to follow as far as creating a digital presence concerned. Then we will discuss about the second point, which is leveraging social media. When I say leveraging social media, you have to overview platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So this platform, you have to utilize it to socializing yourself, your business, your organization, to reaching your the valued customer, to reaching more audience, where people should know like you are expertise in a particular HVAC solution, and they can able to get in touch with you as far as your service is concerned. You can do content marketing also. When I say content marketing, you can write a blog, because what happens, you can even do a YouTube video like how I am making this video for you. So you can make an informative YouTube video which will also help your client, your audience, to know about that particular services, and they can avail to that. But what happens, like it becomes a very difficult for many people because they are not friendly with the making a video. So in that case, you can write a blog, you can make a post Like you can make a post and then you can publicize your what is called like you can publicize your organization, you can publicize your services. So what will happen? You can reach to your customers. Like I just say platform overview, where I'm requesting you to be present on a Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. In that places also you can create your post and you can publish. So what will happen? You can reach too many people. It is not like every now and then you have to make a video. You can make a video. If you are making it, it is absolutely all right. But if you are not able to make a video, you can make a reels, 1 minute 30-second reel, and you can publish it to these platform. So what will happen? People will know about your services, people will know about your uh, uh, product, what you are dealing with, and then accordingly they can get in touch with you and they can avail your services. So social media plays one of the vital role, and you, as far as the online business concerned, you always have to leverage a social media. So one is your website SEO, and second one is your leveraging platform like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And you can write a blog, you can do a post in form of content marketing, and if you can do like reels, you can do states, shorts you can make, or even you can make a YouTube video which is 5 minute, 10 minute informative video, which will also help your audience to get in touch with you and understanding about your product and understanding about your services. Now we'll get into the third aspect, which is online marketing strategy. When I say an online marketing strategy, you have to enroll yourself on a Google My Business. See, when you enroll yourself on a Google My Business and when you connect your website to Google My Business, then what will happen? Anybody who is searching about uh, your kind of service, your kind of product which you are dealing with, they can directly search on Google. And when your issue is done, then what will happen? Your site will, your Google My Business will appear on the first ranking, and then customer can just click in there and they can directly get into your website, and there they can find your entire range of product portfolio. They can see your services, and accordingly what will happen, they can connect with you via chat, via mail, and then they can discuss with you about your services, and by that way you can close your sale and you can optimize your profitability. So this is one of the important median, and most people they think like they have a website and they are online. It is not like that. You need to have the entire system on the place. Like to have a body, you need to have the entire organ in your body, then only your body is complete. So similarly, just making a website will not solve your purpose. You need to have SEO done, you need to have a social media leveraging, you have to have online presences like Google My Business, and then you can do a paid ad. So paid advertisement, you can do it through Google, you can do it through Facebook. So this also helps you to reach the broader audience, where you can able to offer your services, offer your products, and that will help you to that will help you to maintain your business consistently, and ensuring that you should optimize consistent profitability month after month. So online marketing strategy is one of the vital aspect which you have to consider. Now coming back to fourth aspect, which is your customer engagement and reviews. When I say customer engagement and reviews, there are two vital points which you have to consider. Responding to inquiry. See what happens, like as I narrated you, when customer will visit to your site, you have to have a form there where you can collect the detail from the customer, like what is the purpose, what is the motto they are visiting your site. And you can have to have a WhatsApp so they can communicate with you. So when they communicate, when they raise a query on your WhatsApp, you can through chat, through email, and through social media messengers like WhatsApp communication, or even Facebook Messenger, you can communicate with your customer. So what will happen? These are the things which is available even on your mobile phone. And at customer comfort, you can anytime you can send the reply, because what happens when customer visits your website, and if your number is connected with the website, then what will happen? Customer will raise a query, and you can accordingly give a solution on the go, like what is the services they require, what is the product portfolio they require, what are the requirements they have, what are the challenges they are facing, and based on that, through this medium like email marketing, social media messaging, or website chat, you can communicate with your customer and you can give a solution on a spot. So what will happen? This will add value to your organization. 24/7 kind of arrangement you can do it. I'm not saying overnight you sit and respond to your customer, but at least most of the time you'll be able to help your customer. You will be able to provide a services to your customer, and that will ensure that you are scaling between 1 to 10 in your particular area, in your particular market, and that gives you a more weightage as far as the customer service is concerned. Now, second point is coming, which is reviews and testimonial. So leave reviews on. You always request your customer to giving a reviews, because once you supplied your product, once you have done your the installation, once you have completed your job, you can always request a customer to giving you a reviews on a Google, like what is the how you have scattered him, how you have served him. So what will happen? Those testimonial, those reviews will help you to getting more customers, because what will happen, there are many customers who may not be knowing you, but when they will visit your Google site, when they will see your Google My Business on a top ranking of a Google search, then they will get through understanding like what kind of customer you are having it, what kind of services you have offered, what kind of solutions you are providing. And when you have a lot of reviews on your Google My Business, that will add additional values to you, because your customer is talking about your services, your customer is talking about your businesses, and that will help you to acquiring more customers. So reviews and testimonial is very important aspect, and people normally, I have personally seen like in our HVAC business, people doesn't insist or doesn't request customers to giving a testimonial. So make sure that you should have at least a testimonial from each and every customer. So that will help you to acquiring more customer on an online base. Now you can even get a reviews on a Facebook. So when you are leveraging Google and Facebook for getting a testimonial, getting a reviews, that will overall, I could say like that will help you to acquiring more customers. So customer engagement reviews are very vital and very important as far as online business concerned. Now coming back to fifth point, streamline operation with the technology. See, you can create hundreds of customer, but what will happen? You have to bear in the mind, only creating a customer will not give you a only creating a customer will not solve your purpose. You have to ensure that your customers are being catered properly. It is not like you have given a Facebook ad or you have given a Google ad, and then what will happen? You have just got the customer, you have supplied the material, and then you will forget. See, you have to win a customer for lifelong, and to winning a customer lifelong, you have to have streamlining your operation and technology, and for that you have to have a CRM software. I'm not saying, I do not know what stage you are in, whether you are a startup or your business is already established. It depends upon the application and requirement of your organization. But this is the one aspect which I feel like if your organization is well established, you need to have a scheduling appointment system. You should have a CRM software system where you'll be tracking your data, where you'll be collecting your information. You are fixing your day-to-day operation with your customer, where you have to provide the service. Your the scheduling appointment scheduling system should able to feed the data like how you are going to contact your customer, when you are going to contact your customer for supplying the equipment or providing the service. So scheduling, appointment system and CRM system, I'm not saying it is required for everybody, but in long run, it will help you when you have to streamline your entire operation. If you are a startup, then it is not suggested, it is not advisable, like you should start from the day one. But the way you will grow your business over a period of time, you need to incorporate these systems. Now, second point is coming mobile application and tech integration. So this also, again, when you have grown, when your business has started functioning, where you are making some kind of profit, where you are optimizing your business, and over a period of time after running, you will start understanding that whether you require these services, whether you require this kind of technology to assist your business, to help you to scale and leverage a profitability. So this all depends upon like what level you are in, and then accordingly you have to take the call in that particular aspect. Now, sixth and vital point is providing valued online resources. See, when I say providing online resources, you can write your blog. As I told you in the earlier stage, like in leveraging social media, like you can write a blog. So here, again, I'm saying like providing valued online resources. When I say you can write a blog related to your services, related to your product, you can create a video content. And if you are finding a difficulties in terms of creating a video content, then you can write a blog, or you can create a newsletter. See, you may be having a certain client whose data is there with you. So what will happen? You can create a system where you will be communicating with them on a weekly basis. There are a lot of tools available in the market where you will not be sending individual you will be sending individual messages, but it will be automated one. So there are a lot of tools available in the market which will help you to send thousands of people email, a personalized email in one go. So this will help you to create a personal bonding with your customer, and you will be regularly intimating and communicating with your customer with the available new technology. So this way, these six proven steps which I told you, if you follow these six steps, this will help you to bringing your business online, establishing your credibility, and moreover, you'll be consistently serving your market with your product and services. So with this six-step process, I have given you a lot of value. And if you require, if you have any specific challenge, and if you require my hand holding to creating your ecosystem, why I say ecosystem? Because when I talk about creating a website, doing your SEO, going with a Google My Business, creating your entire system, entire process. So that comes under ecosystem. So if you require me to helping you on a personalized way for your understanding the system, understanding your challenges, and understanding your issues, and based on that providing a solution, then I'm giving here my link, and I'm giving a link in the description also. So please click the link, see the available slot. Wherever suitable slot is available, fix appointment with me, where I'll see you one on one live, and we can discuss with each other, understand your problem, and then I can able to provide you a right solution which will help you to optimize your business, to scale your business, and to optimize your profitability. Because according to me, if you are not selling, if you are not scaling your business, if you are not optimizing your process, if you are not optimizing your profitability, then there is no fun doing business. So with this note, I am closing this video here. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. God bless you.